Hello everyone. Today I'll be installing Zentyal 4.0, which is based on Ubuntu 14.04 LTS version. I'm using Hyper-V. As you can see, it's on a server 2012. So let's begin. I have mounted my Zenytal ISO. It's pretty simple. Just go mount it through here. Let's have a look at the settings I have. So I've given 4 cores. This is a 8 core Zen, I think it's 2.4 gigahertz server, and given one Ethernet card. There's my ISO mounted. It's my VHDX, which is 20 gigs and 4 gigs of memory. Show you my server specs. I don't know why it's a little bit slow when it boots up. I think it's just Ubuntu. So it's got 4 cores and I am 8 logical processors, so that's hyper threading. Holy shit, taking a while. There we go, finally it booted. We wanna choose English since this is the only language I understand. I like to use expat mode, which is the second option. You get more features in there. Sorry about my origin popping up. I'm gonna choose English again. I live in New Zealand. No, I don't like to detect it. So it's English US, the origin of the keyboard. English again. It's doing DHCP version 6. Takes a while. I don't use version 6. Still on V4. You wanna choose a host name. You can choose whatever you want, so I'll just call it Zenytal. Test server maybe. You can choose whatever you want, something that makes sense. I'm just gonna call this test. I'm gonna choose a password. So test. Alright. The username and password that I just used has to be used again when we log into Zentyal GUI. Yes, time zone is a clan. Gotta use entire disk. That's what I always use. And like you've seen, 20 gigs has picked up. And yes, so as you can see, format is as x104, which is best. And yes, if you don't want GUI interface, you choose yes. I actually like to have GUI, so I'll choose no. It's kind of long process. There's a whole system installed. Here we go. I don't have any proxy server running at home, so let's continue. If you have, just fill it out, your appropriate settings. done. There we go. When I install the grub bootloader, yes. It's running a pre-seed script, mostly used in Debian. Set the correct UTC, yes. And this will unmount that ISO and reboot the server. Click continue. Press enter. Can't click. Sorry about that. It's booting up. It's just gonna install the Zentyal core packages. It's gonna take a while. Just restarting again. Oh, there we go. So you'll be greeted with this server page. There's another way you can get in is through here once you know the server's IP address, but we'll just use this one. Oops. Sorry, my bad. If I can type. You'll be greeted with this setup page. Click continue. This is where you're gonna choose different packages. So for example, if I wanted to install the firewall, DHCP server, DNS, I don't know, like things like this, and then we click install. But I'm just gonna leave this server as standalone. Nothing, nothing special installed. Maybe I'll just install certification 30 antivirus and firewall. Just an example, I'll show you. Click install. It will show you which packages are gonna be installed, so you have to confirm it. Click continue. This will download packages from the net. See, downloading. Shouldn't take long. um I'm using it internally, so depends on your setup, what you're gonna be running. Choose the appropriate. Please read this to get a better understanding. um I'll make it static, so we'll give you, most of the servers should have static IP, so I like to give a static IP, so I'll just give a static IP 1.5, maybe 50, just to be safe. And gateway is .1. Domain name server is .2. Finish. Everything should be good to go. And there we go. Click to get to this board, and there we go. We have successfully installed Zenytal 4.0. Oh, looks like there's some updates. Cool. Alright folks, thanks for watching. All the best. See ya.